Suez is a waste management company. We're present globally. We have over 80,000 collaborators around the world. We work in waste and water treatment.
Suez UK, as part of the whole Suez group, which is headquartered in Paris, contributes £800 million of revenue each year, and that's delivered by the 5,500 staff that work for the UK business. To put it into context, we handle 10.5 million tonnes of material each year. So internally we try to eliminate waste in our own systems and processes, which in turn will create value for our customers as well.
We have a large customer base of very small customers. The cost of acquisition was too high for those small customers. We used to literally send people door to door to sell to small businesses, and introducing e-commerce was one of the solutions for that.
One of our most recent initiatives using low code is our e-commerce platform. It's a pricing tool which works very quickly for our customers. It only needs a couple of pieces of information and you are presented with a quote instantly. That's actually very new to the waste industry. We delivered a fully functional, highly integrated customer portal within 3 months, which I think is a fantastic example of quick delivery.
We've brought in the first few months of our e-commerce launch this year, £500,000 of new revenue, and we're looking to double that next year, and we're on track to do that. So that's pure growth. We've also measured what we call our cost of acquisition. So without giving the exact figure of how much it costs us to acquire a customer, I can say we've divided it by 5. So that's a radical transformation of the process. We've had customers staying with us thanks to our customer portal, and we've acquired new customers thanks to our customer portal. There are things that would not have been born if we didn't have the technology. So if the only path to a project is a year and £1 million of development, you're not going to do it. There's a lot of business cases that don't work. So what we're finding now is there's a lot of things we had in our drawers, a lot of ideas of our employees that can now actually take shape. So we do much more than we would have.
So our gravitation towards low code is in part because the CIO needs a bit of an infinite toolbox. Sometimes I consider myself a chief improvisation officer because our boards are quite rightly demanding that they have a kit to move their ideas to market very quickly. When we were looking for a low-code environment, we came to market and there's very few players in that space that met our needs. Mendix stood out from the crowd. More importantly, they looked at our projects and advised us what we could do better next time. Ultimately, it is changing the culture of our business and it is enabling our digital journey.